Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply for a business account on Wise? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So, first things first, simply go to wise.com/business or use the mobile app. Then click on open a business account or register, and then use a email or Google Apple account to sign up. Once you've done that, provide information about your business like name, industry, registration, address, and yourself. Confirm your phone number and registered email address, and submit digital copies of necessary documents for verification, which might include business registration documents, proof of address, ID, and potentially proof of address of directors or owners. Also, some regions have a one-time fee for account details, but Wise generally offers free setup for the account itself. Wise will review your details. Verification usually takes 1 to 3 days. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that